गुड मॉर्निंग। तो
Good morning.
सोना मैम आप अभी लेते जाओ। ओके, आप रिकैप ले लो, मैं आपको को होस्ट कर देती हूँ। ओके, बिकॉज व्हेन आई टेक वाटर थेरेपी, so that time just see if in case some noise is there or not at the back end, na? Yeah ma'am, please take it.
Yeah, hello everybody. Yesterday we did about the blood group diet. We started with a patient who was having a blood type A, and whatever was good for him, जैसे कि rice and all was okay with him. Neutral effect है उसके लिए, and सबसे best उसके लिए बाकी के millets हैं जैसे buckwheat, soya. Madam has started with that. Then उनके लिए dairy products were no. So the alternatives to dairy products was goat milk and yogurt, probiotics, या जो चीज था उनका गोट चीज जिसको मोज़रेला भी कहते हैं हम लोग, ये सारी चीजें was good for him. soy cheese, soy yogurt, and उसके अलावा sorry, my mic was just muted. Hello, my mic was muted. Hello.
Sona ma'am, we can hear you.
I can't hear you. Anybody of y'all?
We can hear you. Sona
Okay.
ma'am,
Yeah,
can hear
y'all
you.
can hear me.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, so we had a lot of comparison with all the food groups in relation to what to be consumed and what not to be consumed. तो कल मैडम ने ब्लड ग्रुप के हिसाब से, and thereafter she has also helped us with the link best food for your blood type में भी उन्होंने डाल दिया है. She has picked up her case study जहाँ पे she showed कि कैसे हमारे food जो beneficials हैं हमारे blood type के लिए हमारे treatment को easy कर लेते हैं. I think I should be doing with a quick recap because आज water ले रहे हैं, and water is a very vast subject, right? Hello.
Take it, yeah. You can take a recap thoroughly so that they understand. We don't miss out on any aspect, so it's okay.
Okay. And other than this, then we had some discussions as to what to do if there are issues having with the food's availability. तो उसमें भी madam has given lot of options कि जो food हमारे लिए neutral work करते हैं, we can emphasis on that, and suggestive options can be taken in terms of taking care of food which is good for our diet, good for our blood group, and thereby looking into कि हम जितना अपने blood group के हिसाब से करेंगे तो हमारा treatment easy हो जाएगा. Our treatment will be very effective because as it is we are just consuming the foods which are good for ourselves and they are absolutely natural. हम यहाँ पे कोई भी medicines या कोई भी chemical components add करने के लिए नहीं advise कर रहे हैं. Yeah, over to you, Meenal. Hello. Yeah. Hi Farah, welcome. Good morning.
Hello ma'am. Good morning ma'am.
Good morning. Yes, Meenal madam.
मेरी ना स्कूल में मैं
Meenal madam, can you hear me?
Yeah. So those who are, I've just kept everybody on the mute right now.
Yeah.
Welcome Ajita ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah. So I'm just starting with the water therapy. We just took a recap right now. Okay. Which Sona ma'am has taken it, and I'm starting with the water therapy. How it is going to impact our system, and how water plays a very crucial and important role in our life. Okay, now as we know, now comes the second natural science, that is as per the Dr. Linus Pauling. What is he saying? mineral is the cause. If in case there's a mineral deficiency, is a root cause even of your diseases. And the most important, we get minerals is via water, where water we take either an RO water or filtered water or bottled water. If you check with the pH tester, you will find most of these waters are acidic. And acidic water is basically used for beauty products. It, if in case the pH level is, I will discuss with the pH level at the time of discussing. So acidic water is good for the skin problems. Okay, and then even the acidic water we use for the disinfectant, for the bleach purpose and all that. So our body is made such where we need to have more of an alkaline based water. Though people, though they person who is with a filter water and all that, they tend to say, okay, this is alkaline based water. But if you get their test done with the pH tester which you get in the market, so you come to know at what level of acidic water is theirs. So according to that, you tend to fall sick, which we don't realize, because a human body, as per the requirement, they need around 2 to 3 liters, 3 to 4 liters, depending on the person's weight, height. Every parameter is being taken into the consideration, and water is recommended accordingly to heal our own self. The more we take water is basically to heal ourselves. So the water plays a very, very crucial role in our life. A person not eating food can still survive, but person without a water can't survive. He tends to get dehydrated, he tends to get weakness in his body, or stressed out in the body, or even the circulation of the blood or the oxygen level tend to be very less compared to a person having a proper intake of water. And the best time to have water is early morning before brush, because the saliva what is there inside your mouth, that is anyway alkaline based. So that spit should not be thrown out, that saliva should not be thrown out, it has to be consumed in. The first thing, we should be taking it before brush, the water how much we can. Whether you can take 200 ml, please go ahead. If you can take 400 ml, please take. If you take a 1 liter, it is up to your system. We don't say you can take this much only. It is what your body is wanting it, accepting it, and how much it is accepting it. Whether you take it in the form of some combination, it's okay. Some may say we take with lemon and honey, it's okay. Some may say we take with haldi and honey, it's okay. But at least that water is going inside. And the main thing of the water, when you consume, it should be consumed in a glass bottle, in a glass, in a glass. It should not be taken up in a steel glass. Why? Because the alkaline of your water, if in case it is put in the steel glass, it gets dissolved. Whereas the same alkaline base is sustained in the glassware. If you go and see many people who do the alkaline based water, even I do it with fruits. So I put it in a glass ware, a bigger glass flask of a liter, where I put in sometime watermelon, sometime I put citrus food. But with citrus food, or with watermelon or with kakadi, what I do is I put even dalchini, which is a component for the digestive reason. Then tulsi, which is automatically a herb to alkaline your body more better. And then mint leaves, which gives you the freshness. Plus, it also freshens your mouth. So this 3-4 things is a need for making more alkaline based water. Now, what we recommend when we say about the alkaline based water, we go with alkaline water, which is our own itself, or the other way. If in case a person says, okay, I don't want, the machines to be used and getting into an alkaline based water. So then what is the second option? So while discussing with this thing, so where the pH level will come, so I will be discussing even the other mode of making alkaline based water. Okay, I'll just share a video with you all. Okay. One second, just give me 2 minutes. Till the time anybody has a question or wants to understand here something, till the time somebody wants to understand here something. Just give me a second.
हाँ बाबा
Yeah. Hello,
क्या
I can hear some
नहीं
background
नहीं
noise.
मैं आ
Hello.
जाऊंगी ड्राइंग रूम में आ जाऊंगी अगर लगेगी करने से
Please, can you
Yeah,
keep your
actually, please make me co-host. Madam, मैं log off हो
I've
गई.
already made it. I have
No,
already
no,
made it.
I was logged out because of the network issues. So,
Oh,
Nishta, your mic is on. Kindly put it on mute.
1 second. I made you a co-host. Okay.
Madam, do you want the video of Go Ionic?
No, no, no. I have it already, ma'am. Yeah, I've just reached. That was what I was looking out for. Because what certain presentation I had made,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
had sent to Baya also, no? So there were two types of different. That is the reason. Yeah. So here comes with Go Ionic, which we talk about an alkaline water ionizer, which only doesn't purifies, but it also ionize the water. Ionizing the water means what is the requirement of your cell. You know, the body accepts certain type of pH level much more easier and much more faster, and it gives you a better results, you know, where it comes to alkaline based water. So what it does, Go Ionic, it purifies, it ionize, and it mineralize as per the requirement of your body system. A body system requires a certain pH level of the water, and that is around 7, 7.5 and above. If in case your pH level is somewhere less than this, means you are creating a disease in its own self. Person having acidity is because they have too much of water content which is having acidity in it, which has more of an acid water component. So when you say I consume, lemon, I get acidity. Or if I say I consume certain type of food, I get acidity. That means your body is more water with acidic. So here you need to make your ionized, you need to make your water alkaline to a neutral pH level. Okay. So what does is our body? Our body is with 75% water. This water comes either from a tap water or from a municipal, or somebody uses from a filter water, or this water, but anyway comes from the ground sources of water which are available, the sources of water. Either somebody may take water from the well, somebody may take it from boring. So this water which comes to us is anyway contaminated. What we do, we install filters, we install RO, or we take bottled water. RO water is banned as per the government. But yes, where the TDS level is high, where the dust level is high, like in Delhi, Delhi government is allowed to have RO water. But what happens in that RO water, the minerals which are supposed to be consumed by our body is destroyed when RO water comes out of it. It destroys the mineral part of it, which is important. And it destroys along with the dust. You know, that is what their work is, to destroy the dust. But destroying a dust along with the mineral, which is a need of a body, what it happens, then your body becomes acidic. Same thing goes with the filter water. But compared to RO water, filter water is still better. But even in that, it is an acidic component. Or the tap water. Tap water is still better than a filter water. So this is how, when we say, पुराने ज़माने के लोग क्या करते थे? What they used to do? Either they used to drink water directly with the hands by putting it under the tap, because they did not knew it, but indirectly they were consuming a pure form of water which was alkaline, but not to an extent what our body was requiring it. But yes, it was alkaline. Otherwise, they used to put in a pitcher, that is matka. They never knew why, but उनको क्या लगता था, तभी फ्रिज नहीं थी तो पानी ठंडा होता है. For that reason, they used to put in a pitcher to get at least cold water in the normal form to drink. But they never realize the importance of that matka. Because that pitcher or the matka, what we say, gives too much of alkaline, which is a need for a body. It has got its own molecules which produces, it gives you water in such form, which is a need for a body. That is the reason nature has made matka in its own form कि वो खुद ही ठंडा करता है पानी को. आपको उसको ठंडा करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप उबला हुआ पानी रूम टेम्परेचर में डालो, देखो it becomes cold on its own. Okay, the water that generally reaches our home right now with the taps, with what it is through the pipes, is mostly contaminated. Could be water pollution, could be air pollution, could be the disinfectant which is being used right now, too many chemicals being used in the industry. So that is also one of the reasons which is affecting water. So water treatment, what we basically recommend, if in case you say, I don't want to go with Go Ionic, so it's okay. So what you can do, what we do it is boil the water first rather than using your RO water. So what you do, you boil the water, make it into a room temperature, put it in a pitcher, matke mein. But in a matka, you should be putting copper, silver, and gold along with it. The quantity is up to you, whether you want to put one coin, whether you want to put a small one glass, whether you want to put a 5 grams coin, that is up to you. But this three metal, when it comes in touch with the matka, it releases more of an alkaline water to a pH level of 4 and above. So, sorry, to a 7 and above. 7 is a neutral pH level, which is a need for a body. If in case water less than 7 pH level will causes acidity in our system, irrespective whatever type of food you eat, some may react, some may not react. For an example, some people consuming chana, immediately they say they get an acidic reaction. Though that food may be suitable as per their blood group. But here the cause is of water. The major cause is of water. Now, if I take about the same case of A plus positive group, which we discussed yesterday, where he is having acidity, but could be even the second reason is his consumption of tea is more intake. Okay, though his tea consumption is more, but if in case he start consuming more of a matka based water with gold coin, silver coin and a copper coin, so his alkaline level will go high and the effect of this will be less, the acidity. So what does a boiling water does? It removes harmful bacteria, but not all the impurities. What does RO and other filter does? They remove more impurities, but somewhere they also remove the beneficial minerals which is a need of a body. What does bottled water do? Bottled water anyway is as good as you are taking acidic water in your system. I have worked with FMCG. I have worked with Coke. I know how does the water gets filtered and how does it comes. So, but this is reality. आप कोई भी water बिस्लरी हो या जो भी है नीरा water, whatever companies you get, आप pH tester ले लो market से, where you get the tester. जस्ट आप उसमें pH testers के 2-3 ड्रॉप्स डाल के देखो, you will come to know whether the water is really alkaline what they claim to be. Any company per se. Okay. So now when we talk about this, why RO water is allowed in Delhi. So why RO water is allowed in Delhi? It's because of total dissolved solid, which is very high in Delhi, and it is hard to digest with our systems. Digest with our systems in the sense when the kidney starts working, when the kidney starts throwing out the secretion and putting a flow, the pressure starts coming on the liver, kidney, pancreas, small intestine, all such systems starts getting affected. So the hard water is not easy to digest for everyone. So that is where RO water is recommended. But in that also, what we say a patient, if in case a person is based like Raipur has hard water. Nagpur has hard water. Certain places of Nagpur has very hard water. Even Bilaspur has hard water, Chhattisgarh area. So there, what do we say patients? It's okay if you have an RO water. आप वो पानी को फिल्टर करके आप अपने मटके में डाल दो. मटके के साथ आप अपना सिल्वर, कॉपर और गोल्ड कॉइन डाल के वही पानी आप कंज्यूम करना चालू करो. It is not only consumption by drinking it, but even while cooking. क्योंकि जो alkaline पानी का जो टेस्ट है वो जो जब भी हम खाना बनाता है, it destroys anyway the nutrients, most important nutrients. But when you put the alkaline water in it, it helps you to sustain somewhere that nutrient part of it. So we ask them to do that over there. Where person is using filter, they say we don't want to change filter. It's okay. We ask them to put that filter water into a matka water. In matka water, we ask them to put silver, copper, gold to get that into alkaline water. So this is how our therapy starts working on it. The result starts coming with it. If in case a person says, I don't want to purchase Go Ionic water machine. So would you say, should my treatment stop if I don't have a Go Ionic water machine? No, it should not. It should not. It should not. Why? Because over here, we ask you to take it up. You know, the Go Ionic, if in case you're not able to take it up, it's okay. So what you can do is, you know, go by boiling the water, or if you have a filter, then take the filter water directly in the matka. But अभी आप बोलोगे लॉकडाउन सिचुएशन चल रही है. So what do we do? So in that way, what you can do is you can put a water either in a glass vessel, any of the glass vessel, put in that copper, silver, gold. Copper, gold and silver in that. Because then this will help your water to become alkaline. This will help you to sustain the pH level what is required for a system. So especially in most of the places like that is of towards the northern east, or whether I talk about the eastern part of it, or whether even in the western part of some of the places where you hardly get alkaline based water. And people are using people are using filtered water, RO water and all that. But person who is not using any of it, say not an RO water, not a filter water, you know, or a bottled water. So for them, we recommend first to boil the water in any of the copper vessel, preferably in any of the copper or iron vessel. Not in steel, not in aluminum. If in case he doesn't has a choice, he doesn't has a copper vessel or he doesn't has an iron water, then we tell him to go with a steel. Otherwise, but aluminum strictly no. So we ask them to boil the water, put it in a room temperature, and then mix this three vessel in a pitcher, that is a matka, to make the water alkaline. Because everybody may not be able to afford, or if in case they can afford but they still don't want to go with they don't want to go with such a high costly machines. Okay, so what over here, we generally what we have the water where the TDS level is less than 100, where we need to surely have an RO water. Okay, so the pH level, what is pH level actually? It's a potential of hydrogen which is needed to maintain for our body for having that alkaline based water. So our body, what it needs is 7 plus and above. If in case you say my pH level of my water is 9.5, is it good or not? It's very good. If it is 10, it is very good. The more the pH level, the more the better is your water. The lesser the pH level, it is more acidic in nature, which is good for cosmetics, which is good for skin products, which is good for disinfectant, which is good for bleaching in things, you know, where you need to clean. So what does, Go Ionic actually does? It has got high clustered. Yes, somebody asking question? Hello. 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 I can hear some background noise. Okay. So what does RO water or a filtered water or a bottled water does? It has got high clustered. Cluster means it has got the macro level of the molecules, which is not good for our system. What we need has a cells are tiny, minute cell, so we need a micro level clustering for a water, not a macro level clustering. So RO water, filtered water, or bottled water, all they have got more of a macro level, not a micro level clustering. So that is where what it happens, our diseases, the water retention, or say diabetic, or say blood pressure, or say pneumonia, all this is related to water. Every disease is related to water. Because what water are we consuming is of acidic in nature. If your water is of acidic nature, how are you going to cure your body? It's not feasible. That is the reason where allopathy medicines affects you immediately. But when it goes to Ayurveda, when it goes to homeopath, it takes time consumption because it is removing from the root cause. Whereas allopathy क्या करता है? It subsides your disease. It doesn't remove you from the root cause. It goes on subsiding. That's it. आज आपने एलोपैथी दवाई ले ली, चाहे वो स्किन रैशेस के लिए हो, चाहे अभी आप डायबिटीज के लिए ले रहे हो, चाहे वो बीपी के लिए ले रहे हो, आपको वो उसके डिजीज को खत्म नहीं कर रहा है, वो उसको सबसाइड कर रहा है. आप इतने सालों से मेडिसिन ले रहे हो बीपी की या डायबिटीज की, तो आपकी डायबिटीज और बीपी तो क्योर होने चाहिए. आप जैसे ही वो दवाइयाँ छोड़ते हो तो ऑटोमेटिकली अगेन यू गेट अ हाई बीपी, अगेन यू गेट अ sugar level high, or even the thyroid levels high. So this only subsides. This doesn't gives you the solution. You need to know that. So what is RO water or a filtered water or a bottled water? They give us only acidic water, which is not so easy for a system to digest. Because if you ask me कि आप पानी पीते हो, मेरे को डॉक्टर हर टाइम मेरा होम्योपैथी वाला पूछता है, आप पानी पीते हो, आपको थर्स्ट, आपकी प्यास खत्म हो जाती है. आई टेल हिम मेरे को प्यास ही नहीं लगती, आई ड्रिंक इट फोर्सफुली. बट व्हेन आई ड्रिंक alkaline based water, automatically my consumption of water increases on its own. It asks me to give me more water. So that is the beauty of alkaline water. So the qualities of water, what we get, which I spoke about, one is alkaline water, which we get, which is coming to our body, and the microclustered water, which helps our body to cluster it. It provides you the hydration of it, and the negative ORP antioxidant. What and Go Ionic provides us the microclustered water, which I spoke about. Microclustered is a need for a body. Plus it gives you the negative ORP. That means the system automatically it antioxidant. It antioxidant means खुद का जो डस्ट है, खुद का जो टॉक्सिन्स है बॉडी से वो निकालता है. That is what Go Ionic water does. Okay, what is the solution now? We are giving you a solution is go with Go Ionic alkaline water ionizer, which purifies, ionize and mineralize. Mineralize to the level what is required for your body. For 7 being a neutral, 7.5 plus above is what is a need for the body. Okay. Now what does Go Ionic does, which I spoke to you about, is microclustered water. It breaks the water, it breaks the molecules in such a way that it observes as per our cells. जो हमारे टाइनी सेल्स की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, उस टाइनी सेल्स के हिसाब से वो माइक्रो क्लस्टरिंग करता है। तो वो क्या करता है, वो डायरेक्टली पानी आपके सेल्स को ऑब्जॉर्व करता है। Then if in case you want to check, with alkaline water base, you take, basically what we say is, put two bags in a two different glasses of water, one with RO water or a bottled water and other with Go ionic water or the alkaline based water. You will see the results on its own. The micro clustered water, where it will be Go ionic water, the tea bag instantly will start getting it dissolved. But where it is with RO or a filtered water, it will not. And what does Go ionic, what it does, what I spoke to you all about, the pH level, which is a need as per our body. Because our body, the water, what is there, it produces 4 types of alkaline water and 3 types of acidic water. Why? There is specific requirement. Say if in case I want to make a beauty products, I cannot have a pH level of 3.5 and all. So I need to have a pH level of 5.5. But if in case I want to make a disinfectant, there I need a pH level of 3.5. But if in case I need to make some sauces, so there the pH level is more down. That is the reason when a person suffering from skin problem, whether eczema, ringworm, cirrhosis, doctor first things what does it asks is कि please आप कोई preservative चीजें तो नहीं ले रहे हो, please to stop that. That is your pickle, that is your sauces, whether I talk about the vinegars, the Chinese food, they are all things they ask you to not to have at all. Is because the sauces or the pickles, there the pH level comes to 1.50, and that is a disease for us for getting it formed into it. Okay, so the water of different levels of pH has many different uses. Like alkaline, up to 9.5 can be used for drinking and restore the alkalinity of our body, and also for cooking. As I told you all, जिसमें आप मटके में सोना चांदी तांबा डालते हो, अब वो पानी को खाली पीने में यूज नहीं करोगे, अब वही पानी को आप कुकिंग में भी यूज करोगे, जो आपके खाने का स्वाद है, it really comes to the natural taste of the vegetable. It tastes much more better. It enhances the food quality. So alkaline water above 9.5 pH can be used even for cleaning the fruits and vegetables. Why? Because the pesticide which is used in the fruits and vegetables nowadays is somewhere 3 times more, somewhere 10 times more. So the more the pH level for cleaning your vegetables and fruits, it's ideally better. अभी आप बोलोगे मेरे पास गो आयनिक पानी नहीं है तो मैं क्या करूं? So what you can do is, आप जो अल्कलाइन बेस आपका मटके का पानी जो आप बना रहे हो, जिसमें गोल्ड, सिल्वर एंड कॉपर है, वही पानी में आप 1 चम्मच सेंधा नमक डाल दो। 1 लीटर के पानी में यू पुट 1 टेबलस्पून ऑफ रॉक सॉल्ट, जो हम सेंधा नमक बोलते हैं, और उसमें आप अपना फ्रूट्स वेजिटेबल्स डाल के रख दो for some time, say could be 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So the pesticide automatically in that gets destroyed, because your water has already become alkaline based. Plus senda namak is such a salt which is a absorbable for a body. Iodized namak is not for meant for us. जिसने आयोडाइज नमक जितना ज्यादा खाते हैं, उतना वो स्किन डिजीजेस को ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम करता है, उतना ही वो ब्लड प्रेशर और डायबिटीज को बढ़ाता है। आप अभी कोई भी रिपोर्ट देखो, चाहे वो ब्लड टेस्ट में स्किन के लिए देखोगे, उसमें भी सोडियम आपको ज्यादा दिखेगा, आपका पोटेशियम ज्यादा दिखेगा। इवन सेम थिंग गोज विद किडनी का टेस्ट, द ब्लड टेस्ट, Same thing goes with BP test. So if in case your sodium is more, your potassium is more, and still you are taking iodized namak, so you think, are you doing a good decision? No. But doctor will not tell you to stop that. Because iodized salt is not for our body. Your body is anyway on its own cleaned on when you put an alkaline water. So what you need to do is you need to use sendha namak for your cooking. Whatever you cook, whether you take it while cooking or whether you take it via taking it raw in the fruits or in the vegetables, it should be sendha namak itself what we recommend. The second thing is for that. Okay. So what we say is your water. So this plays an important role over here. Your salt also starts playing an important role. So this our fitness pillar. The first is water. The first fitness pillar what we discussed was any patient you are recommending should be a blood group diet. This is our first fitness pillar. Blood group diet may the more you ask them to take 100% raw is not feasible. 80-20 ratio, 80% raw, 20% कोशिश करता है. Then we ask them आप 50-50 पे ले लो. Senior citizens, those who can't really, can't chew the food. So there we ask them to go with 50-50. Or even not with 50-50. What we do, we ask them to chop the vegetable in such a form where they can easily chew it. Or either we ask them to grate it. So the second fitness pillar where we play the crucial role is with water therapy. By alkaline your water. By alkalining in the sense, water, then we ask you to alkaline water by boiling it, putting it, coming to the normal temperature, putting it in a pitcher. That is a मटका. आयन का मटका है, कॉपर का मटका है. You can do it, you can use it. But उसमें भी आप मगर सिल्वर गोल्ड डाल के रखोगे. अगर वो कॉपर का मटका है तो उसमें आप सिल्वर और गोल्ड डाल दो. आयन का मटका है उसमें भी आप सिल्वर गोल्ड आयन डाल दो, कॉपर डाल दो. बिकॉज ये जो 3 एलिमेंट्स हैं कॉपर गोल्ड या सिल्वर, वो आपके पानी को अल्कलाइन बेस ऑटोमेटिकली करता है, वो खुद की रिलीज करता है. कितने बार पेशेंट जो बहुत क्रिटिकल होते हैं ना, हम उनको बोलते हैं आपके पास कोई गोल्ड कॉइन है तो दे दो. वी बॉइल दैट गोल्ड कॉइन फॉर अ सेकेंड, गर्म होने तक पानी को, and then we ask them to consume that water in a room temperature. That really plays a very impactful role. Okay, so go ionic, what it does, the acidic water which I spoke to you, 5.5 अगर होता है तो application of skin के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, वो beauty products के लिए अच्छा होता है. Acidic water जहाँ पे 4.5, 3.5 level होता है, so it is good for disinfectant, for cleaning and washing. Okay. This is the pH level chart जो मेन इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. अभी आप देखोगे यहाँ पे 1 जो है या 2 जो है या 3 है, 4 है, दिस इज दी हाई एसिडिक, हाई प्लस आपका विनेगर, नींबू. So all that comes under acidic 1 to 4 level. जहाँ पे येलो आपको दिख रहा है, that is the yellow and the green, your water is acidic and that is used for beauty products. 6 फिर भी it's okay, हमारे लिए जो न्यूट्रल है it is 7. 7 and above. तो आप देखोगे 7 is a neutral, it is on the greenish side, darker green. If you have pH level of 9.5, it's one of the best pH level for us to have. So if if a patient is sick, that means he has anyway too much of acidity in his body. His food consumption, his water consumption is more of a acidic than of alkaline. More of an acidic than alkaline. So what does ionic water, what we say negative ORP, negative ORP में वो क्या करता है, just a very good antioxidant. अभी आप बोलोगे मेरे पास गो आयनिक तो नहीं है. Now I come back to my fitness pillar, the second point, जो हम वाटर के ऊपर ही है. हम बोलते हैं पेशेंट को पावर जूस पीने के लिए. What does that power juice has? It has got all of Ayurveda, which will antioxidant, which will give anti-depressing जो properties हमारे body में से निकालनी है वो, और plus anti-cleansing property करता है. So here our power juice starts working with the body, where we come to somewhere by giving it antioxidant more. आप कड़ी पत्ता जो हम बोलते हैं, कड़ी पत्ता has got one of the best antioxidant properties. Tulsi is anyway a herb which has got more antioxidant property. So when we say a patient to work with power juice, on that day I was showing you the chart कि मैंने ये patient के लिए 4 दिन पानी पे रखा, दूसरा 4 दिन से लेके I'm just giving her power juices. Why power juices? To build her immunity, to boost her an oxygen level, for getting it into the antioxidant property. जितना आप उसको कड़ी पत्ता हम लेते हैं, we will show you how that even the power juices to be made. So that gets you into an oxidant property. So 1 glass only of drinking go ionic water is equivalent to 3 to 8 cups of green tea. जो हम बोलते हैं कि you should be having green tea. Green tea is very good. I think that is what major of the doctors have been recommending patients now and then. क्यों वो बोलते हैं कि एंटीऑक्सीडेंट है? एंटीऑक्सीडेंट में आप क्या करते हो? आप दालचीनी डालते हो, आप इलायची डालते हो, आप जिंजर डालते हो. So they are all antioxidant properties. Whether I take ginger tea, it's an antioxidant. Why? Because the bloating what I get, it removes the antioxidant, it removes the gastric part of my systems. No? That is the reason. पहले जमाने में लोग क्या बोलते थे, दादी माँ, आपको बहुत सारा एसिडिटी लगता है, ठीक है आप अदरक चबाओ, अपने मुंह में डाल दो, या तो फिर लवंग एंड इलायची साथ में चबा दो. It used to play an antioxidant property which we never realized. So Go Ionic Devices provides the best negative ORP. यहाँ पे आप डेमो भी कर सकते हो अगर क्लाइंट के लिए चाहिए तो, so that you know कि how this Go Ionic water helps them to become a negative ORP, a negative ORP with minus 800 mV. Is this clear till now? अभी तक जो बताया गया है इसमें कुछ क्वेश्चंस, कुछ समझना है?
हेलो
बिकॉज ये, हाँ जी नरेंद्र बोलो.
अच्छा, कैन यू रिपीट दैट पीएच लेवल का पॉइंट एंड पावर जूस? आई जस्ट मिस दिस टू थिंग्स.
Okay, the pH level, if I talk about, see if your body, if your water has alkaline base of 7.57 pH level, it is very good. It's a neutral pH level for a body which is required. अगर उससे ज़्यादा है तो it is very good. It is very good means it's an excellent, because it is going to go minutely in your molecule cells. Okay, but if in case the same water has got 5.5 pH level, say 6.5 pH level, 5.5 pH level is used for beauty products, it's used for cosmetic. A person having a skin problem का आप जो भी आप cosmetic देखोगे ना, skin problem का आपके उसमें लिखा हुआ रहता है, it has got 5.5 pH level.
Okay.
Any tube per se, even if they ask you to apply some application, because it has got 5.5 pH level, acidic water,
Acha, what does this pH stand for?
a potential of hydrogen. Potential of hydrogen, which is a need for a system, which is a need for a body.
Okay.
Yes. So if in case your pH level is less than 5.5 in a water, say it is 4.5 to 5.5, means it is a severe damage you are doing to your cells.
Okay.
Severe damage in the sense, because that 4.5 pH level is used with more with the disinfectant products. जो पेस्टिसाइड, जो हमारे साबुन होते हैं ना, जो हम क्लीनिंग डिटर्जेंट रखते हैं, सो दैट इज विद 3.5 4.5 pH लेवल.
Okay.
यस. और अगर जो ब्लीच होती है, इट इज विद 1 pH लेवल.
More.
बिकॉज जितना वो, हाँ, तो बिकॉज अभी जैसे हम मॉर्निंग में सम पीपल से, अरे मैं नींबू लेता हूँ तो मेरी बॉडी में मेरे को एसिडिटी बर्निंग होती है. व्हाई? बिकॉज लेमन हैज गॉट pH level which is 2 to 3 or 4.
Okay.
That is the reason when they start with a natural nature cure also, what we say, we see the body's alkaline body, and then accordingly we say them to take in the morning or not to take even limbu in the morning.
Okay.
Yes. Though people say, अरे हम तो वजन कम करते हैं, but somewhere they are causing even acidic to their own body.
Okay.
Yes. So if in case the pH level is less than 4, like sauces, or say mayonnaise, or say any preservatives which has been there in the market, say, you know, vinegar, or say Szechuan sauce, or the Chinese food, they are all with that level of pH level.
Okay.
It comes between 2 and 4. That is the reason if you consume vinegar और उसमें सुरका जो डालते हैं, you know,
Okay.
तो that immediately causes you an acidic. इसके लिए आप सुरके में आप एक हड्डी डाल के रखो भिगा के, आपकी हड्डी देखो कैसे वो पिघलती है.
Okay.
Because of its high pH level in that.
Okay.
Yes. इसके लिए आप थोड़ा विनेगर देखो, आप नॉर्मली भाजी पकाओगे, उसमें पकाने में टाइम लगेगा, बट जहाँ पे आप विनेगर डालोगे, जहाँ पे वो आप सुरका डालोगे ना, आपकी भाजी 2 मिनट में गलती है. इसके लिए चाइनीज भाजियां जल्दी क्यों बनती है? चाहे वो फास्ट गैस पे है, इसके लिए वो जल्दी पकती है.
Okay.
वो पकती नहीं है, वो खाली बन जाती है, बट वो जो हमारे बॉडी के लिए है वो इनडाइजेशन करती है, क्योंकि वो बराबर गली नहीं है. पक तो गई है, आप उसको हाथ लगाओगे तो वो आपके लिए, आप बोलोगे हाँ ये तो पक गई है, मेरी भाजी गल गई है. हम पकी हुई भाजी को, हम गली हुई भाजी को समझते हैं कि पक गई है भाजी, बट वो वैसा नहीं होता है. इट शुड बी डाइजेस्टेबल फॉर योर सिस्टम.
Okay.
तो इसके लिए जो बंदा चाइनीज खाना खाता है वो सफर ज्यादा करता है कंपेयर टू अ पर्सन हैविंग एन इंडियन मील. फॉर दैट रीजन many people they say when I have Chinese food I really suffer with my health more.
Definitely.
For that reason only.
Some skin disease kind of things and so on.
Yes.
Yeah,
Skin
yes.
disease is a cause of
Cause.
having more of a preservatives.
Okay.
Okay. So where it comes to 1 pH level, it's more with a detergents, it's more with an acidic like lemon, sauces, and everything comes under that pH level. The more your water is alkaline, 7 and above, say if you are getting a pH level, what you are using a water right now, if in case it is 8.5, it is an excellent source. But if in case it is less than 7, it's a sign that water is not alkaline water for you.
Okay.
It's somewhere giving you acid water. Yeah.
Ma'am, I have question.
If you see, yeah, 1 second. If you see from 1 to 6, it's a person falling sick. That is alkaline. That is acidity. But when you see the neutral, it is only 7 to 7.5. The healthier person having 7.5 and above is a healthier because he's getting alkaline based water.
Okay.
Yeah, that is the reason.
Okay. ठीक है.
Yeah. Huh, madam, tell me. Somebody asking me a question.
Yeah. Like you said, matka water is beneficial for all of us.
Yes, yes.
So can we keep matka water in a fridge?
फ्रिज में you should not. आप फ्रिज में रख रहे हो तो आप
Actually, ma'am, like according to temperature, according to degree, It's like 45 and 46. So maybe one.
चलेगा? नहीं नहीं मैडम, आप बाहर रखो भले 45 क्या 48 टेम्परेचर भी डिग्री होगा, आपका पानी ठंडा खुद ही होगा।
Ma'am, it's not now. I have मटका, but नहीं हो रहा।
नहीं तो आप पानी को गरम एकदम गरम करके डाल रहे हो।
नहीं, it's like RO water, normal.
हाँ तो इसके लिए ना RO वाटर टेक्स इट्स ओन टाइम।
Okay, so we should keep
24
tap
hours.
water.
No, preferably have a boiled water. But if you are taking it, where do you stay, ma'am?
Ma'am, Meerut, and temperature is 46.
मेरठ। हाँ तो आपका
Can I
मेरठ में पानी-
intervene? Can I
Yes,
intervene
yes,
over here?
yes, Sonam ma'am.
Yeah, Nishta, let me tell you the reason behind not promoting fridge water as a food consultant, and I'm sure you should also know that
Yeah,
drinking
I know.
chilled water has serious
It's like-
implications on our digestions. Always
Exactly.
remember this.
I am
They
agree with you,
contract the
but
blood vessels. Listen to me there. They contract the blood vessels and restrict our digestion. Also, the absorption of nutrients are hindered if we consume chilled water. I do understand गर्मी है, आप बोल रहे हो, but in naturopathy there is something like tasir, that is the thermal effect of any food or water. तो इवन इफ दैट इज नॉट वेरी चिलिंग या इतना ठंडा नहीं, बॉडी में जाके ये आपको सूदिंग इफेक्ट देता है मटके का पानी, वेरेस फ्रिज का पानी का थर्मल इफेक्ट गर्म होता है।
Yes.
That is what we called as tasir in naturopathy, my dear. So if it is for a wellness of your body, please avoid. I mean, I myself practice, only then I preach. Thanda in any form, anything from the
avoid,
fridge
but
is
in this temperature, I am not able to avoid.
नहीं तो what you do is madam, what you do in that sense, आपके यहाँ पे तो ऊन मिलती है ना, ऊन।
हाँ,
you know, तो ऊन जो बनी हुई, जैसे वो गुनी, जिसमें चावल के गुनी होते हैं ना, वो ऊन है ना, आप मटके को पूरा कवर करके रखो, आपका पानी ठंडा हो जाएगा ज्यादा जल्दी।
वेट करके कवर करो। यस यस।
Okay. Thank you.
आप उसको
Yes.
पानी में ठंडा करो, नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर में आप उसको पानी में डालो, और वो ऊन को आप एवरीडे चेंज करो। आप एक दिन का नेक्स्ट डे वॉश करो, वापस दूसरा लगा दो। सो कीप दैट। माय cousins are in Meerut and they do that way.
Okay, I'm asking for all of, मतलब all my
Yeah,
friends
yeah,
and all,
definitely.
because
In the north,
everybody keep
and
asking us.
वहाँ
In
पे
the
है in
entire
general.
north.
Yeah.
इन पंजाब इफ यू गो, पंजाब में आप जहाँ पे भी आपको ये मिलेंगे ना, आपको पिक्चर मिलेंगे ना, वहाँ पे आप देखोगे कि ऊन लगाई हुई रहती है 24/7
Okay.
एंटायर
मैम,
पंजाब। हाँ
हेलो मैम,
हाँ
आप
बोलिए।
ऊन कह रहे हैं या जूट कह रहे हैं, मतलब क्या चीज?
It's jute actually. I think so.
जूट
Jute
जिसको
is
हाँ,
jute.
Jute,
Yeah,
jute,
it's
jute.
It's
ओके
jute.
ओके, यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट जूट ना, जो रस्सी टाइप से जो होता है।
ना हाँ, जो रस्सी टाइप का होता है, जिसमें हम गुनी में चावल भी रखते हैं ना, जूट वाली रस्सी।
Yeah,
हाँ, that is jute. Yeah, that is actually
jute
jute,
वाली
not
रस्सी।
wool.
नो नॉट दैट वन, जूट वाली रस्सी।
जूट वाली रस्सी को हम ऐसे करके लपेटते हैं उसपे मटके पे।
या
ओके। और मैम, मेरा एक क्वेश्चन और था, ये आयोनिक आप जो एक वो दिखाया था,
हाँ जी।
आरओ जैसा ही, वो कहाँ से अवेलेबल होगा?
गो आयोनिक अगर किसी को परचेज करना है, you can get in touch with your immediate buddy. You are Nishta, you will be under buddy of Sona, so you have to speak to Sona will guide you how the thing is to be taken ahead.
Farah,
ma'am.
Farah, yes,
Yes,
Farah.
ma'am.
Yeah,
Okay,
Farah.
yeah, I will get back to you for this.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank
I
you.
have
Farah,
one more
who's your
question.
buddy? Farah, who's
Yeah,
your buddy?
she's
ma'am.
from.
So
Yeah.
Sona ma'am, you will get in touch with Sona ma'am. Sona will tell you how to go ahead with Go Ionic machine.
Okay, ma'am.
I have one more question.
Yes, tell me.
As you said, we should take Sendha Namak in our daily diet.
Yes.
But ma'am, with myself, I used to take Sendha Namak
Yes.
for 1 or 2 years, and
Yes.
my BP goes down. My electrolyte, I'm suffering from electrolyte imbalance. So how we cope up?
somewhere see your electrol, because your system, the water is your main cause of it. It's not the Sendha Namak your cause of it. Because as I told you, जो हम RO water लेते हैं या जो filtered पानी लेते हैं, जो mineral हमारे बॉडी को जरूरी है वो डिस्ट्रॉय करके बैठा हुआ है ना, तो वहाँ पे भले आप सेंधा नमक भी ले रहे हो तो आपका जो पानी एसिडिक फॉर्म है तो ऑटोमेटिकली वो हिंडर कर रहा है आपके खाने में।
बट मैम जैसे सेंधा नमक लेना मैंने छोड़ा एंड आफ्टर दैट एवरीथिंग विल बी नॉर्मल,
नहीं, it will be
would be
normal, it
normal.
will be normal, it will be normal for you right now, but later you will be causing a disease with you. Surely you will be getting a
Listen,
BP.
I'll just interrupt. Nishna, if you're having any this thing with low BP, आपने कहा आपका BP low हो जाता है, right? हाँ. So
Exactly.
definitely there is a mineral imbalance, my dear. We need to check in that this thing because normally जो ज्यादातर मेरे प्रैक्टिस में साइड इफेक्ट सेंधा नमक के आए हैं वो हाइपर क्लोरेमिया आता है या हाई बीपी आता है, लो नहीं है. आई एम श्योर द there is mineral imbalance in you. We need to check with that. ठीक है? So don't relate it with any consumption of सेंधा नमक. Will never cause you low BP.
Yes.
Okay?
No,
It will
because
never
only
cause you.
one thing I changed.
Yeah, we need to
That
check it, the consumption. How do you taking it? We need to do it.
Okay. Okay.
Because that goes more into the depth of your understanding, you know,
Hmm.
where it has been affected. Like I told you, sendha namak is not the hindrance, you know, to your body. It is something else which has been causing you a harm. Could be your food, could be your water. Anyway, water when you are in mirror, you are using RO water, so which is giving you an acidic content. Anyway,
And RO
Delhi
पानी
that
ना
time.
वैसे ही
I was in Delhi
demineralization
that
कर
time.
देता है.
हाँ
नहीं
तो
नहीं, I'm
दिल्ली में
just
भी
saying
RO है.
RO is demineralizing your nutrients from the water. सारे minerals निकाल देता है.
तो उसमें आपको क्या करना है, भले आप आरओ का भी पानी यूज करते हो ना, मटके में आप सोना चांदी तांबा डाल के रखी दो.
हाँ, I got it.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank
So
you.
why we say Go Ionic? Because first and the foremost, it is manufactured and imported from South Africa, Korea. Second thing is the large solid platinum coated titanium plate. It is good for a pH level and negative ORP. Why negative ORP? For antioxidant property. And it is fully programmable. You don't need to do any setting. It is fully adjusted. Where with other machines you need to adjust and accordingly you have to do it. This is automatically programmed. It is easily installable and with low maintenance cost. Pricing is below the par in the sense compared to I see about the Kangen water, mineral water. Compared to that, it is a very affordable and it is proven over here with our patients. So the Go Ionic machine with 5 plated model is 130. Go Ionic with 7 plated model is 162, which is inclusive of all the taxes. The people, even yesterday I was talking to Bhaiya for Pradeep Bhaiya. I think even Wokhard is going ahead with our CMD drugs. Sona madam.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yesterday I was discussing to Pradeep Bhaiya, you know.
Yeah.
Over there, it has been tested, proven that the patient having a coronavirus where they were being given CMD water every 3 hours with lukewarm water have turned out to be a negative after 4 days.
Okay.
So in immediate cases, they are going to be using it in an ambulance where a person having cardiac arrest or anything, they are asking them to take 240 ml and keep it in all the ambulances which they are coming up.
Definitely, ma'am. मैं अभी वही सोच रही थी. आपने इतना अच्छा समझाया. If you don't mind, I can just gist it up as per my practice.
Pakka.
Okay. As madam was telling, water alkaline naturally भी available रहता है, but that is in the springs, वो झरना and all that. वहाँ पे हमारे पास रहता है. Not necessarily we ask you to buy any product. She was just simply helping us कि ये अगर हमारे पास नहीं भी है तो हम इसको कैसे इसकी सुविधा ले सकते हैं. तो बेसिकली पहले तो मैं आपको बता दूं, जो झरनों में या when we are seeing the water which passes over the rocks, यहाँ इनमें बहुत सारे मिनरल्स होते हैं, मिनरल डेंस होते हैं, एंड दैट इज व्हाई दिस इज द प्योर अल्कलीन वाटर. ठीक है. एंड सेकंड थिंग शी आल्सो सेड वी कैन टर्न द वाटर अल्कली by adding lemon and lime in it. ये definitely people think they are acid, but they contain minerals which create alkaline byproducts once they are digested and metabolized. And that is the main reason जो dietitians आपको सुबह में उठ के नींबू पानी देती है. आई एम श्योर मेनी ऑफ यू ऑल अवर हियर विल नॉट विल नो व्हाई वी आर गिविंग दिस लाइम वाटर, है ना. सो ये एक रीजन है कि why we ask you all to add or squeeze a little lime in your glass of water so that your water gets alkaline, and as your body digests it, we turn our body in the alkaline level. दूसरा, she also said कि RO water के बारे में भी उन्होंने बताया. So let me tell you all, if your water is properly filtered and the contaminants are removed, and if it is ionized, ये जो मशीन बता रही है आपको, that is electrolysis से हम इसको ionize कर रहे हैं. Otherwise, जैसे मैडम ने आपको बताया है, हम इसको मटके में या पिक्चर में डाल के हम इसको रीमिनरलाइज कर सकते हैं. Remineralization is adding minerals like gold, copper, iron. That is what madam was telling us. उसके अलावा डेफिनेटली जो वाटर आयोनर्स हैं, बहुत सारे सेल होते हैं हमारे यहाँ पे, उसमें से एक दो आयोनिक है, बाकी भी काफी हैं इन द मार्केट. बट दिस वाज द इजी वे वे मैडम हेल्प अस टू अंडरस्टैंड. एंड और एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है, बेनिफिट्स तो डेफिनेटली जैसे मैडम ने बताया प्रोवन है, बहुत सारे हैं. हाई बीपी कंट्रोल करता है, डायबिटीज, कोलेस्ट्रॉल, सब कुछ. इवन ब्लड विस्कोसिटी ये मैनेज करता है, थिकनेस ऑफ ब्लड जो बोलते हैं मैनेज करता है, बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स नेगेटिव ORP. अल्कलीन वाटर में ज्यादा नेगेटिव ORP होता है, जिसकी वजह से ऑक्सीजन डिलीवरी हमारे बॉडी में अच्छी हो जाती है. बट एक चीज जो हमको हमेशा याद रखनी है, डू नॉट ड्रिंक दिस अल्कलीन वाटर बिफोर और आफ्टर मील्स, बिकॉज ये हमारे स्टमक एसिडिटी को लोअर करता है. और पूरे बॉडी में सिर्फ हमारा स्टमक ही एसिडिक होता है, ताकि हमारा डाइजेशन इजी रहे. So this is also very important. I hope I am audible to all. Hello.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. तो सिर्फ दो समय हमको पानी ये नहीं पीना है, एक खाने से पहले एंड खाने के बाद, because this will interfere with your digestion and absorption. During eating our food, our stomach needs to be acidic. And जितने भी हमारी citrus fruits हैं, oranges या tomatoes या lemons, grapefruits, ये सारे acidic हैं. Okay, they have ascorbic acids, they taste sour, but they are actually alkaline, generating once they have been digested and absorbed. तो ये सारे चीजें alkali rich हैं. I think I have made it simpler for all the people over here about alkalinity, जो मैडम ने पूरा 40 minutes का session लिया है. I hope there are no questions.
I hope there are no questions. If in case it is there, let's take it up tomorrow, because 12
Yeah,
o'clock
we are already. Yeah,
lecture, 12 o'clock call will be starting. Either you can connect with me or Sona madam. If you have any questions, you can message us. We'll try to reply you. Otherwise, tomorrow we will, while recapping, when Supriya madam will take a recap to tomorrow, that time we will give your answers even to your questions. Because tomorrow I'll be taking the fitness pillar in overall. The first, I've anyway taken it on blood group. I've taken it today on water, how it can be inculcated with our daily habits. Tomorrow it will be more in depth. Okay?
Shall we sign off for today? And
Yes.
Thank you everybody.
कोहर हेल्थ सब्सक्राइब पे क्लिक कीजिए और बेल आइकन को दबाइए हमारे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए.